This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अर्थात् भृगुवासरः आषाढ शुद्ध त्रयोदशी दिनांक 3 जुलै 2020 सहस्रयोगं पटोलादि शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकां ददतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणोऽधिकमारब्धामात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं ईक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेच्छत्मि सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। पटोलनिम्बकटुका दार्वी सेव्य वरावृषां सदन्वयासत्रायन्ति प्रकटं पादिकं पृथक् प्रस्थमामलकानां च क्वाथयद् अर्भिणेन्दसि तदार्धकेऽर्धं बिल्वैस्तु वृतप्रस्थं विपाचये मुस्ता भूनिम्बयष्ट्याह्वा कुटजोदीच्यचन्दनैः सपिप्पलीकैः तत्सर्पि घ्राणकर्णाक्षिरोगम् विद्रधीज्वरदुष्टारुर्विसर्पापचिपुष्टनु विशेषात् शुक्लतिमिर नक्तान्दिहोष्माम्बदाहृत्। तर्हि यथा मया उक्तं बिल्वैस्तु इत्येतत् कुटजोदीच्यचन्दनैः सपिप्पलीकैः इत्यस्य विशेषणं दृश्यते तत् प्रमाणं न तु बिल्वफलं किन्तु तत्र भाषान्तरे तावत् बिल्वफलम् इत्ययम् अर्थः कृतोऽस्ति। सर्वेपि पाठाः खलु द्रष्टव्याः अस्मिन् विषये विशेषतः मलयाळं भाषायां ये पाठाः वर्तन्ते तेषाम् अवलोकनं कर्तव्यं ततोऽनन्तरमेव निर्णयः कार्यः इति साधु इति मन्ये। तर्हि अस्य फलश्रुतिः तावत् व्यापका वर्तते। बहुषु रोगेषु एतत् सर्वैः उपयुक्तम् इति महत्त्वपूर्णं। विशेषतः तिमिरापहं नक्त्यान्ध उष्मा अम्लदाहरुत् शुक्लं नाम सवर्णशुक्लम् अवर्णशुक्लं कार्नियल ओपेसिटी एते रोगाः। तो भूस्थ भूनिम्ब यष्ट्याभ कुटज उदीच्य चन्दन पिप्पली गोभृत पटोल निम्ब कुट्की दार्वी सेव्य उशिर वरा त्रिफला वृष वासादन्वयास त्रायन्ती and पर्पट अमलक बिल्व जल. So kashaya and then घ्राण कर्ण अक्षिरोग. So this is useful for all ऊर्ध्वजत्रुगत diseases. विदृधि ज्वर दुष्ट व्रण कुष्ठ अपची. So this is also important that it is useful in apachi as well. So yesterday only I tried to use this non-specific lymphadenopathy and let us see. Shukla Timira, so Shukla and Timira are different. Naktandhya, there are very few yogas about Naktandhya. Ushma Dahanashaka. त्रिफलादिकृत त्रिष्ठराष्ट्रफलं क्वाथ्यं पानशेषं जलाढ्के तेन तुल्यं पयस्केन त्रिफलाफलकल्पवान् अर्धप्रस्थो वृत्तात् सिद्धः सिद्धया माक्षिकेण वा युक्तं पिबेत् तत्तिमिरि तद्युक्तं वा वरारसम्. So this is simple, just triphala. And Payaha he has made only jala. Triphalashtapalan Kwatyam Panashesham Jaladake. Ashtapala Triphala in Jaladaka to be made decoction. Tena Tulya Payaskena. So here Payas Gokshira. The Panashesham should be Padashesham. Jaladake Tena Tulya Payaskena. Some milk to be added. Triphala Palakalkavan. And Triphala Pala Ardhaprastho Vrittat Siddha. So Vritam Ardhaprastha. Sitaya Makshikena va Yuktam. Either to be drunk with Sita or Makshika. Timiri. Tadyuktam va Rasa Vararasam. Or it may be taken with Triphala Rasa. So again that will be Triphala Vat. Ikshurasa. Where is Ikshurasa? Actually, there is no mention of Ikshurasa over there. तेन तुल्य पयस्केन त्रिफला फलकल्पवान् अर्थप्रस्थो वृत्तात् सिद्धः सिद्धया माक्षिकेण युक्तं पिबेत् तत्तिमिरि. And administer internally with honey or sugar or triphala kashaya. So there is no, but ikshu, from where he has taken ikshu? I don't know. हिंदी मध्ये काय आहे का इक्षूचा उल्लेख भाषांतरात केलाय. So only in this translation it is same part in Ashtanga Hridaya Uttar Sthan Timira Pratisheda Patoladikrita. Okay. And that is available also Patoladikrita. So may think about that. With Kalka, Sneha and Devadravas, there is no mention of Ikshu as such over here. So this is rather strange. And may have to think about that. But this is again for Triphala, for Timira, single Timira or something like that. Shirit Rumadi Kurta. Shirit Rumankuram Mundi Yojivam Jalakandakam Karas Karatasi Lodhra Shambaranam Chapallavam Vasanti Mukulam Durvam Shodayitva Tutadrase क्षिप्त्वा तद्विगणं क्षीरं तथा तालयज्ञरसं सर्पिपचेत् सूक्ष्मपुष्टैः दार्वीयष्टिद्विचन्दनैः जातिमुकुलशैलोक्तलाक्षाकतकसंयुतैः मन्दपाके परिश्राव्य शुद्धे पात्रे निधापयेत् तर्पणाश्चोतनैरेतत् नेत्ररोगविनाशकम्. क्षीरिदुमाङ्कुरं मुण्डी गोचीमुखां जलकन्दकं कारस्कर अतसि लोधर शंबर एतेषां पल्लवं वासन्ति मुकुलं दूर्वां शोधयित्वा तद्रसे. तो एतेषां रसागमः क्षिप्त्वा तद्विगुणं क्षीरं. So 2 times milk तथा तालघटी रसं. What is तालघटी? सर्पिपचे सूक्ष्मपिष्टे दार्वी यष्टिद्विचन्दनैः जातिमुकुलशैलोत्थ लाक्षाकतकसंयुतैः. So these are Kalkadravyas. Mandapake Parishravya Shuddhe Patre Vidhapaye. Tarpana Ashchotana. Shiri Drumadi Gruta. Whether this is available in the market or not, I'm not aware. If somebody knows about it, दार्वी यष्टि द्विचंदन श्वेत रक्त चंदन जाति मुकुल शैलोत्थ सिंहा सैंधव लाक्षा कतक बभृत क्षीरिद्रुम अंकुर पंचक्षीरी वृक्षांकुर मुंडी गोजिह्वा जलकंद श्री श्रृंगाटक कारस्कर विषमुष्टि अतसी. So इसमें कारस्कर भी है. They have given some anupana to every compound drug. How important is these? Is it must to these specific anupanas? अतसी लोधर संभार पल्लव संवरण पल्लव वासंती मुकुल दुर्वा गोक्षीर तालघटी रस टटिकल्लू. शायद केरल का है कुछ. Used as Tarpanena Ashtotana indication natural ropa. Whenever there is a specific mention of Anupana or Sahayogi Dravya, we may not call it as Anupana, but it might be a Sahayogi Dravya. And in that scenario, it is better to use along with that Sahayogi Dravya, not to use it alone when they have specifically given that this is to be used along with that. Now, this has been a big problem while preparing Aushadha Kosha. And whether this Sahayogi Dravya is having peculiar importance in this, and whether equal importance to be given to Sahayogi Dravya or not. Truly speaking, it doesn't carry equal importance, though it is important, but the main Dravya is to be what has been said in that particular part. To have Triphala Grupa or to have this Kshiri Drimadi Grupa. And that is to be taken with along with this or something. So that becomes Gauna. Whatever is prescribed over there, that becomes Gauna. But the effect is of the whole compound as such. The original medicine and this Sahayogi Dravya all together they work or something like that. And whatever is Sahayogi Dravya over here might be a main Dravya somewhere else. And that is why it has to be understood as a component of a particular yoga. So we try to give importance to this, not equal importance, but this particular Gita along with this Sahayogi Dravya, like that. Sometimes it is Anupana, and that can be clearly seen. It's in liquid form, either milk, water, or some decoction or something like that, and that can be easily seen. But it does have a particular effect as such, and there are certain medicines wherein the Anupana creates a specific effect of Mahayoga Gokul. There are so many Anupanas, and the Padashruti is different with palm tree. Okay. Practical palm tree. But then, is any mention of the oil of palm, which is very commonly used, and it's cheapest as such, and that is why it is in use. So anyway, it's like a particular compound or a sanyoga has varieties of actions, and with particular anupana, a particular action gets expressed. It's like a TV channel or Akashvani channel or something like that. That the video frequencies of all channels are there. When you tune to a particular channel on TV or you tune to a particular channel on radio, then your apparatus gets connected with that and expresses that channel. There is a simile like this even for Upasarga and Dhatu. So Dhatu has its own meaning and Upasarga may have its own meaning. And Upasarga may change the Artha of the Dhatu or it may support the Artha of the Dhatu. Both the things are possible. So ultimately it is said that the Dhatu are Bhavartatmaka. They have so many meanings. And a particular meaning gets expressed by a particular Upasarga. Upasargena Dhatvartho Balad Annetra Niyete Prahara Samhara Vihara Parihara. One particular Ru Dhatu with Pra plus Ru, it's beating or something like that. Ahara is to take inside. Vihara is to move. Samhara is again Nasha. And Parihara is avoidance or something like that. So Ru Harati, that is the main meaning of that Ru Dhatu. But with particular Upasarga, it changes slightly. In the same manner, there are varieties of actions of a particular combination, and a particular activity gets expressed when it is used with a specific anupana as such or sahayogi dravya as such. And that is why it carries importance. Anyway, this is available, Panchakshiri Vruksha. गोपात्मजा कमल चंदन सेव्य पुष्ट क्षीरी द्रुमांकुर विसोत्पलकंद मिश्रम दुर्वार से जयति साधितम आंचमाशु क्षीरेण सार्थमय सर्व विसर्प मुद्रम. गोपात्मजा is सारी वहाँ कमल then चंदन सेव्य कुष्ठ क्षीरी द्रुम विस उत्पलकंद. So most of the Kamala is used. Durvarasa Jayati Sadhitam Ashu. So Durvarasa to be used as Darvadavya, Kshirena Sadham, with Kshira, Sarva Visarpa Mugram. So all kinds of Visarpa are taken care. So this is again Gopatmajati. Is this available in the market? What has happened? I found off phone. Okay. Sarva Visarpa. No, sir. Okay. तालीसादि घृत तालीसपत्रम ह्रीवैरम मंजिष्ठाम सारिवां तथा मधुकं चंदनम लोध्रम कुंकुमम हरिचंदनम उशीरम पद्मकं चैव मातुलंग परत्वचम शतावां नागपुष्पं च पीतदारु हरिद्रकम्. एतानि समभागानि कल्कदृशति पेषितं नवनीतं पचेत् प्रस्थम् कल्कैरेभि शनैर्भिषक् एतन्मुखगतं श्वित्रं सिद्धानि पिटकास्तथा तथा व्यंगविकारं च क्षिप्रम् एतद् व्यपोहति. This is strange. So they all are to be used as Kalkadravya. Talisapatram Riveram Manjishtam Sarivan Tatha. Madhukan Chandanam, Lodharan Kumkumam Harchandanam, etc. etc. Navanitam Pachet Prastham Kalkai Evi Shanai Visham. There is no Dharvadharavya. Etan Mukhagatam Shvitram Sidmani Pitikastatha तथा व्यंग विकारंच क्षिप्रम एतत् व्यपो. So particularly Mukhagata Shvitra, Sidno, Pitaka and Vyanga. This is great. Talisa Patri Ribera Manjishta Sariva Madhuka Chandana Lodhra Kunkuma Harit Chandana Ushira Padmaka Matulunga Phala Tvak Sattama Nagapushpa Pita Haridra Daru Haridra Kalkatrava Spore Prastha Go Bhurta. Prepare kashaya by boiling and reduce it to 1/4. So this is totally different translation. There's nothing to do with the original shloka. Prepare Ghruta with the above drugs with Kalka, Sneha and Dravadravya's taken in specified quantity. Shvitra, Sidma, Pitaka and Banga. It doesn't say about Mukha Shvitra. Mukhagatam Shvitram, Sidma and Pitaka. तुझ्याकडे काय आहे? Gopatmajadi Kairathelam is available by Vaidyaratnam Pharmacy. So Kairathelam is Yamaka Sneha. Hindi translation is better. सबका पीसकर कल का बनाए इसे एक प्रस्थ नवनीत में डालकर घृत सिद्ध करें. इस सेवन के श्वित्र सिद्धों पिड़का और व्यंग विकार नष्ट होते हैं. इसमें भी मुख का निर्देश नहीं है, लेकिन so this should be good. And for the first time, Navneeta is directly used for Ghrita Siddhi without any water. So this is working as a Kalkadravya only for Ghrita Siddhi. And Navneeta is used for Ghrita Siddhi. This is more important. Ultimately, it becomes Ghrita, that is different issue. But no water is used, this is one thing. नवनीत मधून सुटणारे पाणी हेच द्रव्य, हे द्रवद्रव्य म्हणून वापरले आहे. But Navneet may not have that much water. That is another important aspect. Though it has water content, there is no doubt. And Navneeta is a previous stage of Ghrita. And that is quite interesting. We have very few medicines like this Laghumalini, Sornamalini, Vasanta, etc., which have this color in for Visarpa and Luta Visha. Luta Visha, where was Luta Visha? Sarva Visarpa, that was the only Padashruti. Gopat Majadi, Kairathelam. Okay. But then this Palashruti should have been mentioned somewhere. Now, the Mukhagata Shvitra is quite a big problem. Shvitra itself is a big problem. And particularly Mukhagata Shvitra is very big problem. So, this might be used internally as well as externally. And many a times, Sigma patients are very afraid because they feel it is Shvitra, so it is Sigma. And Sigma is Sigma can be taken care. What means Harichandana? I think it's a variety of chandana. So Krishna Chandana and Rakta Chandana. Hari actually would mean Harita, that there is no thing like that. If somebody knows what Harichandan is, may write on that. So anyway, the English translation is not at all proper. So Navnita with Kalka, that is the thing. And Mukhagata is not there also, coconut plus yamaka, tila oil, not only care. Ganesh may be able to tell about that. Care is just coconut oil or yamaka. तालीसादीमध्ये द्रव दूध वापरावे का? गोपात्मजादीमध्ये पण दूध आहे. But there is no mention about that. So we may not go for that. Only thing is, it is very important to start from the Bhuta itself. And why not this concept has been used while preparing other Bhutas? That is yet another. Yes, Kera is coconut. So Kera is coconut, then it's just coconut or something like that. नवनीत आहे तर तक्र वापरता येईल का? No. It won't get turned into ते खाल्लं घेऊन या बोका बसलेलाच आहे ते खाली set. Uzhambu Yamaka. Okay. So Navnita gets transferred into Bhuta. And this is little bit peculiar as such. So anyway, we may have to think about this and whether this can be done for other yogas as well. Actually, Navnita, Go Navnita is not available. People are doing this Gruta only and selling Gruta only. But if that becomes available, then we can prepare Gruta at home. Now in Pav Bhaji, Navnita is added and it gets cooked and gets converted into Gruta. That is another important aspect. I don't know of any other recipes in which vegetables are made in Navnita. नवनीत वापरून करतात. And there are customs of preparing thalipit on Navneet, etc. And while preparing toast butter or something like that, it is most often the Navneeta that is applied. And therein we eat the things even in Pav Bhaji. एकच बटर आलं तू Does Navneeta has special affinity to thought? That is possible. Navneetam Navam Rusham Sheetam Varna Balagnikrut. So Sheet and Varna Bala Agnikrut. So in that scenario, that might be useful. Many Punjabi dishes, sandwich and chakli too. Chakli also. Chakli is eaten with Navneeta, but whether it is prepared, does Navneeta has special affinity to it? Many Punjabi dishes, sandwich and chakli too. Butter dosa, butter uttappa, butter paneer masala, etc. Harichandan is Pita Chandan only. Okay. जे रक्तचंदन असं ट्रान्सलेशन मध्ये आलं आहे. ठीक आहे. So rather difficult to say, But this might have some different effect, Navneeta. And the berry that is removed after preparation of ghee, that is not removed in such situation. Of course, while preparing this grita, the berry will be taken care, but when we are putting it with the vegetables, pav bhaji and other things, then it stays with that. Of course, the quantity is very less, so it may not be filled. But generally, the Sara Bhaga and Pitta Bhaga, they are separated, and Gurta is the Sara Bhaga and Vedi is the Pitta Bhaga. So, we may have to think about this separately, etc. And as we see in this Vasanta Maasa, Vartamanani Vasanta, Bhargamani Vasanta, etc., this has something to do different. Bhav Prakash. Raktachandana Dhanvantari Nigantu. That is fine. So, Grahanyantaka Grita. Anyway, we try to think about this Navanita preparations and think separately about that. पाठाचव्य करंज युग्म शरपुंखा अग्निब्ध सुंठी रसैः सिद्धं सैन्धवपञ्चकोलक विष विक्षार हिंग्वं विभिः साजाजी द्वैद्वित्यकैः कृतम् अजादध्ना रसेनार्द्रका चाङ्गेर्याश्च रसेन वह्नि जननं गुल्मग्रहण्यन्तकम् पाठाचव्य करंज युग्म शरपुंखा अग्नि अब्ध शुंठी रसैः सिद्धम. So Rasai would be Quathor would be here. Saindava Panchakolaka Dvishat Dikshara Hingvam Bubhi Sajachi Dvait Deep Yakaihi Dhrutam. Quite clumsy. Ajadadna Rasena Ardrakat. So Ajadadhi or Ardraka Swarasa Changeri Ashtarasena or Changeri Rasena. So this is to be used as Anupana, I suppose. It is to be made Siddha with Pathadi Quatha and Saindava Panchakola Vishad Vikshara Hingu Ambu Ajaji Devaya Deepyaka. This is to be used as Kalka and Siddhangrutam Agadadna Rasena Ardraka Changeri Ashtarasena Vandijananam. So these are to be used as Anupana. That is what I feel right now. Let us see the translation. Saindava Panchakola Visha Vikshara Hingu Ambu Mustafa Ajaji Dvaya Deepyaka Garuta Ekvast पाठाचव्य करंज युग्म करंज शरपुंखा अग्निचित्रक शुंठी कषाय प्लस अजादति प्लस आर्द्रक स्पर्श प्लस चांगेरी स्पर्श prepare with the above drugs purpose name specified Agni Deepaka Gulma Grahani. I doubt the availability of Ajadati. When Ajak Shire is available, we can prepare Ajadati. There is no problem with that. Not in use. हिंदीमध्ये काय केलंय? Translation. से घृत सिद्ध करे इसमें सैंधव पंचफल वगैरह का तर्क तथा आधा का दधे आर्द्रक सामग्री सरस भी डाले. अग्निदीपक गुल्म एवं ग्रहणी नाशक है. But I feel this Ajadadhi, Ardraka and Angeri, Changeri rasa These are to be used as anupana or sahayogi dravya. The ghrita is to be prepared with that. Is this available? Grahanyantaka ghrita. So as per Sanskrit part, it is difficult to say that these are to be added while preparation of ghrita. गौप्रस्थो स्वरसात् ब्राह्म्याः घृतप्रस्थं च साधितं व्यवशिष्यामा त्रिवृद्धन्ति शङ्खपुष्पी नृपद्रुमैः स सप्तलाकृमिहरैः कल्पितैः अक्षसंवितैः फलवृत्त्या प्रयुञ्जेत परं मात्रा चतुष्फलम् उन्मादपुष्टापस्मारहरं वन्ध्यासुतप्रदम् वाक्स्वरस्मृतिमेधाकृद्धन्यं मान्त्रिकृतं स्मृतम् द्वौ स्वस्थौ स्वरसात् ब्राह्म्याः घृतप्रस्थं च साधितम् यशशामा त्रिवृद्धन्ति शङ्खपुष्पी नृपद्रुमैः ससप्तला कृमिहरैः कल्पितैः अक्षसंवितैः फलवृद्ध्या प्रयुञ्जीत. So starting from one pala, we can increase the dose to chatushpala. Unmada kushta apasmaraharam vandhyasudapradam. The Falashruti is quite wide. Brahmikrita is definitely useful in Unmada and Apasmara, there is no doubt, but even Kushta and Vandhyasudaprada, this is again typical. Vaksvara Medha, Smriti Medha Krut, Dhanyam. So Vaksvara, Smriti and Medha and Dhanya. Dhanya is again Adidevik property as such. So Brahmikrita is available. Mrta Brahmi Swarasa, Don Prastha. So anyway, it should be given in an increasing dose. We start from 1 pala per week and increase up to maximum 4 pala. Unmada Kushta Apasmara Vandhyahara Vani Swara Smriti Medha Vardhaka. So anyway, Brahmikrita is available with the same part or some other different part. Does anybody know? Or it's not available? Nobody is answering. So we may have to, it's available in the same part. So अनेक कंपन्यांचे अनेक पाठ शोधन जास्त वाटतं हे ब्राह्मणमुक्त रेचन द्रव्य खूप आहे. With same part. Which company? Vaidyaratnam. Yes, AVS. They are using Brahmimurta as just Anupana and not using in increasing dose as such. So in early cases of Apasmara and Unmada, we may try this. Of course, there are very few cases who come to us directly. Generally, people will be on allopathic medicines when they reach us. And Vani Swara Smriti and Medha Vardhaka. This is again very typical. So might we think of Matimandatva or something like that for this? One pala is quite big matra for them children, but we may reduce the matra or give as anupana. Brahmi hai dravya sandigdha hai. That is true. Bundelkhandi and Brahmi, these are controversial, and many people say what we assume as Brahmi is Bundelkhandi, it's not Brahmi or something like that. But may somebody throw light on this and with pictures, what is Bundelkhandi and what is Brahmi as such. It induces comparatively more Malavega during Snehapana. So you have used it. But anyway, if that is causing Shodhana to a certain extent, that is fine. If we are stress related infertility skin diseases मध्ये वापरता येईल. Yeah, apasmara infertility used. Fine. So I have not used it as in increasing dose. I used only as anupana or something like that. And for stress, that should be fine. So Brahmi Bacopa moneri Manducoperni centena asiatica. Can it be used for Garbhadha, etc.? Garbhadha, you are saying, I suppose. Of course, Vandasutapradam, so it can be used for Garbhadha. Now, the IT people who are coming for infertility, the major problem is stress itself. And as what they say, they don't give space to each other. Grahabadha. Okay, I couldn't understand Grahabadha. So, can be used when it is for Unmada and Apasmara. But Vedha and Smriti, these are peculiar, and that is how it can be used. And when the companies are prepared, whether they are using Bacopa moneri or Centella asiatica, has study been done on this? What actually they are using as Brahmi? And please put pictures of this, and that will be better. So anyway, I feel this might be used in increasing dose and initial stages of apasmara or unmada. That should be fine. Hypormia reniforms. So there are controversies in this. ABS is using Brahmi as Bacopa moneri. Okay, so that is fine. वचेन्दुलेखा मंडूकी शंखपुष्पी शतावरी ब्रह्म सोमामृता ब्रह्मी कल्कीकृत्य पलांशिकाः अष्टांगं विपचेत् सर्पिः प्रस्थं क्षीरं चतुर्गुणम् तत्पीतं धन्यम् आयुष्यं वाङ्मेधा स्मृतिबुद्धिकृत्. Okay, so better to go for ABS then, if that is so called Brahmi or something like that. Vacha Indulekha Manduki Shankhapushpi Shatavari Soma Amrut Brahmi Kalki Krutya Palamshika. In Vega Avastha of Unmada, the trend is to give Sadhya Vireshana in Kottakkal. Patient gets silent after the Snehapana given in very large doses, 300 to 400 ml. So that is also good. 300 to 400 ml. Have used this Brahmi Gurta part in pediatric apasmara with Kurmi. Okay. Anyway, I think it's better to. Ashtanga Gurta is also famous and it is also in use, I suppose, available. So Gokshira, Gogruta Gokshira, and will they digest this huge matra? Whether they will accept this much matra or not, this is a big question. Will they digest it or not? This is still different issue. And anyway, these patients are very difficult to handle. So I have come across few cases in acute conditions, and it's really very difficult to handle these patients. So if we are able to make them drink that much ghee, or maybe 100, 200, whatever, maybe whatever quantity they are able to take, that should be fine. I have been using Mahakalyanaka Gurta or Panchagavya Gurta more, not use really Brahmi Gurta for that, but with high dose as such. But we may. And if the patients directly come to us in the very initial stage, then it is a curable disease. Actually, conventional medicine has spoiled all these cases for the whole life. Only the Himsarthi Grahabadha is incurable. All other Unmada cases and might be Sannipata Javastha. All other Unmadas are sadhya, so to say. But unfortunately, patients do not come to us and in the preliminary stage. And they come to us when there are patients are addicted to psychotic drugs and they have varieties of side effects of psychotic drugs. Main is this sleepiness or alasya, tandra, and gaining weight like anything. They consume it, digestion they do not understand. We have to give food by our own logic. Okay. So unless and until that Ghruta is digested, we can't think of giving anything. But if we become calm and quiet, then that is a good achievement. And if we get Vireshana as well without giving any other medicine, then generally this is due to Srotarodha by the doshas, and if the doshas are taken care, then the mind settles. So that should be fine. Initially, at least he should be obeying our orders to drink, and then this might become possible. So in Unmada particularly is on last day. Okay. But when they start with Snehapana and do they become calm and quiet and take this easily more or something like that? Actually, we should have Ayurvedic hospital with proper ward boys and nurses, etc. Ayats to handle such patients, and then only it would be possible for us to deal with these patients. Unfortunately, there are very few hospitals, allopathic hospitals, who admit such cases. In Pune, only Pune hospital is admitting these cases. No other hospital is admitting schizophrenia patients. So this is again a very troublesome kind of thing. And with whatever injections and other things, the patient becomes controlled to a certain extent. And then we can think of some giving somebody thing as such. Otherwise, these are very difficult to handle. So, what I feel right now, we need to work in this particular field. And there are hysteric patients like this, maybe break in the relationship, some failure in examination or business, etc., etc. Prison cell is made for such patients in mental hospital. From third day of Snehapana, when dose reaches 100 to 150 ml, changes start. So this time is quite big. So we may have to think about this separately and how to deal with these cases properly. But there is a dire need to treat these cases through Ayurveda because conventional medicine doesn't have really good medicine for this, and they just mask the symptoms, that's all. And it's a permanent damage for the whole family. So, and just counseling, etc., doesn't work anymore in that particular phase in this Vegavastha. So, it has to be dealt with harshly, with rigorous treatment, and then only we may have good success in this. So, there is one such hospital in Kottayam. I have seen it. Okay, they use Panchakarma treatments in acute phase. The same thing we had heard about. There was one hospital in Kottakkal. It might be there still, and they are also doing Panchakarma. So without Panchakarma, it is very difficult to conquer these cases. Can Brahmi Gurta be given regularly to children for memory concentration? Yes, it can be given. There is no doubt about that. And Vaksmera Swara Medhakrut or something like that, that is again important. In a patient of Unmada with hallucinations, he also had Varam Varamvar Malapravrutti after giving Kanakasundar. His hallucinations stopped. Kanakasundar, Government Mental Hospital, Kottakkal. Kanakasundar, I have not heard up till now whether it is used in such conditions and it helps. Ishnamasya Anjana can help to certain extent, but if the patient becomes violent, then it is very difficult to give any medicine, to give any food or something like that. There was one case, young chap, 18 years. I admitted him in Dinanath. He was not that bad. Was admitted for Panchakarma, but he did nothing. He stayed there for 10 days, had a lavish life of going to canteen and eating again and again, not bothering about taking any medicine, not going for Snehapana, Abhyanga, Sveda, nothing he did. He didn't cooperate. So it was like a treat for him in staying in Dinanath Mangeshwar Hospital. And ultimately he had to be discharged with no effect. So this is again very troublesome and such. And how to deal with such patients is a big headache. But anyway, this is one of the gray areas wherein we have upper hand. And if patients, we get patients right from the beginning, then there is a great scope for treating these patients successfully. So Ashtanga Gurta, this is available, I suppose, and is in use. तत्पीतम धन्यम आयुष्यम वांग्मेधा स्मृति बुद्धि कृत. So dhanya, ayushya, vaangmeda, smriti and buddhi. So this might be used in children, particularly for all as such. And dhanya is a specific characteristic that again Adidevika like Mangalya, Shiva, etc. This is dhanya. So I think we try to use Ashtanga Gruta as such. This is available in the market. Nobody is answering. Yes, sir. Okay. So we try to use this, and if we can start a movement of preparation of this grutas in desi cow ghee, a separate batch available at higher cost, that should be fine. But then if it becomes easily available, then that should be good enough, because all these grutas are in this jersey cow gruta only right now, whatever is available in the market, and that's really not good. So we have to find some sources. Either we have to prepare it by ourselves, but it's very difficult to prepare all these. And secondly, for us also the availability is a big issue. Even Gogruta availability is a big issue. But anyway, we are doing Rakta Kalyanaka at home. In the same manner, we try to do these kratas at home with desi cow as an initial step. And may the pharmacies be having its own dairy, desi cows and other things as a part of the infrastructure, and they should have an access to Gogruta, Takra, Dugdha, whatever is required. That should be fine. I have been thinking of this in my Konkan area, but since I'm there only for 1 or 2 days, it's not becoming possible. So we have place, we have cows, and we have milk and ghee over there. So, and Gomutra, Gomaya, etc. These are things are there. We can select few ghee and try. Yeah, that is what I'm proposing right now. And we should have honest supply of ghee with appropriate cost. That should be thing. कनक सुंदर बचनाग धतुर बीज भांग क्वात भावना आहे. फलश्रुतीमध्ये मेजरली ग्रहणी अतिसारच आहे. Okay. But maybe these Vishadravyas are acting like this, and whoever interested can be in group. Kanakasundar was given to help for reducing Malavega, but the patient said his hallucinations stopped. Anyway, this is also good. Yogat Vibhishan Tikshnam Uttamam Beshajam Bhavet. So, this, if we form a cooperative firm of JSVC members, then so many things we can make available. This is a totally new endeavor. We are very much away from each other physically, but this can be a good concept, there is no doubt. And if somebody is going to take a lead in this honestly, then that should be fine. It's like cooperative society. If we form a cooperative firm of JSPC members, then so many things can we can make available. Yes, agree. So do think over. We have legal implications with this. And let us start with some place with cows. So we have these basmas that we can prepare from cow dung, and also the ghrita and dugdha to be made available. And as far as raw material, we can collect from our own farm. That should be fine. So pure ghee supply I can manage. Okay. Huh? ती म्हणते रीता शहा. Huh? Huh. Can you supply Navneet if it is available? The way in which the ghrita is prepared, it's little budupaka, and better to prepare ghee at home and such. Anyway, I am thinking about this desi cow farm and other things, particularly organic farming and such, natural farming, so to say. Near Pune in Vella, and my nephew is having a land. It's only half acre, but the surrounding farmers, we want to get interested, and there has to be somebody to look after the whole management. And there we are stuck up right now to find an honest person who is knowledgeable in all this. But anyway, we are thinking of this very seriously, even at Kokand and at Vilha. Which pure ghee any company or private made cost at Rita Shah? Yeah, she will. Those who are interested may show their interest in GSVC group, and those who are ready to invest also in this, they should come up that I'm ready to invest as well. And then we decide. This will be a total different activity as such. But anyway, I don't mind going for this. So you express your desire first on GSVC group, and then we form a group. No company Goshalas. Okay, fine. Let us discuss this later. Right now, we can conclude our talk today. आयुर्वेद प्रकाण्डो निगदितैः हि शल्यतन्त्रप्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने तां च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः गोघृत 300 1300 1400 च around आहे. That is fine. What we are getting from Patmeda is 1050 rupees. So that is the cheapest one. But okay, let us think about this. That will be fine.